I just wanna give you a quick showcase of what we have. So last time I didn't have enough time. Sorry for that. So right now I'm trying to match the design as much as possible, but there is a lot of work to do. What we have is the header. So let's say you logged in here, and you can see you have the background that was suggested by design. So we have here a background and here another background image. I know it doesn't look exactly the same, but at least I put it the background. I think I will need to adjust a little bit the transparency if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it has a transparency. And then you have the footer, right? And the footer it needs to match here. So thanks to the Vincent work, all I did is put here in the credits. We're gonna have a drawer for all the so we don't have too much spacing on the footer. And here you can access to all the whole team, right? And even we can like put here pictures, and it will look really nice. Um, Here in the GitHub, we have the GitHub link, and then you see you log in, you it's responsive, and we have the background. I think I will decrease the opacity because it's too a little bit. And then once you logged in, you can see the header looks pretty much similar to the Figma. Where is the here? Now this okay. Now for example in the status, okay, why we I was trying to incorporate this, but I think I need as a SVG, right, because sometimes it get pixelated for higher resolutions. And then we have here the dashboard to update. Now we need to update the input, those elements. I don't know how to say it. To be more rounded, right? We have rounded inputs, so we need to update this to be rounded, a little bit more rounded and less spacing on vertically. But at least I try to make the buttons. Let's see. Yeah, because the buttons were way different, and at least I think those buttons like this are nicer. So I try to make those buttons like this. I think they try to resemble a little bit, a little less of font size, I believe, but it looks pretty much similar to the expectation. So we might create some design tickets, I believe, based on the our designer suggestions, and then I can fully focus on the chat for integrating with AI, and and in the meantime we can improve all the design because everything is basically functional right now.